Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and securing the pram so nothing moves. This saves time and prevents damage. Once done, release frame locks and remove the wheel using the correct hex key or wrench, because forcing fasteners ruins threads. As you take off the wheel, note spacer orientation and keep small parts together. This makes reassembly straightforward. Make sure to inspect bearings and axle for rust or play. Early detection tells you whether cleaning will suffice or a replacement part is needed. Now you address the complex middle. Clean the bearings thoroughly and rotate them by hand to check for roughness. If you feel grit or binding, replace the bearing. Next, examine the axle. If it's bent, the wheel will wobble, so straighten only if minimal bend, otherwise fit a new axle to restore alignment. Once parts are sound, pack grease into the hub and reinstall spacers and wheel in the correct order, because correct spacing prevents lateral play and uneven wear. To finish, tighten fasteners to a firm but not crushing torque so the wheel spins freely while staying secure. This balances safety and function. Then fold and unfold the pram and load it with weight close to typical use while you push it at a normal walking pace. Listen and feel for rubbing or pull, because real-world testing reveals subtle issues. If you still notice wobble or grinding, replace the hub or bearings, and if uncertain, contact the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.